Stacked. Look at that.
Yeah, look at that beard right there. You see that?
Bud Light all the way
Yeah,
black.
we be getting it. Yeah, we got them chocolate toaster strudels. You already know about that. We get all this from Walmart, brother.
Let me get that wine.
Anything bad?
Tell me what kind of bike you got.
I got a. Don't know. Okay. I got a mongoose, but it's all stretched out. You know what I mean? Miracle handlebars.
Let's go in the garage and show them.
Come on, it got a flat tire right now. But see that kind of that? Yeah. Put you in your
Let's go.
Let's go show them. My mongoose, the hardest mongoose alive. Yeah, right. It is. You already know. This Isaiah's right here.
Let's go to the garage.
Don't know nothing about that.
Turn the light on.
There it go right there.
Kind of dark.
That's like the hardest mongoose alive.
Put it in the light.
You see that right there? Hardest mongoose alive right there.
We can't see it. It's too dark, man. Put it in the light.
That's the hardest mongoose alive. Straight up tread tires. Fucked up ass back rims. It's all good though. Hard. Decks and pedals. Big sprocket. Walmart chain. Bob. These grips and everything up here come from Bob. Stolen inner tube in the tire. The one in the back. Stolen inner tube. And we got that Miracle seat. Matched Miracle bars. But they messed up. But it's all good though. Only thing you need is to train and be sexy.
Alright, say bye.
Peace out.